Hi guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. If you or anybody in your family wears salwar kameez suits or churidar suits or any other kind of Indian suits, then you are sure to have these plain chiffon or georgette dupattas in various colors lying around in your home. And today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can convert these dupattas into circular ponchos with pom-poms, because anything with pom-poms is really trending these days. And you can wear these ponchos over any simple t-shirt or tank top and completely transform your look. So let's start.
Before I start the video, I just wanted to remind you to click on that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified as soon as I post a new video. And like I often do, I'll first explain to you with the help of this paper before moving on to the actual dupatta so that you can understand better. So imagine that this is your dupatta. You have to first fold it into half like this and then again like this. And once you're done folding, place a few pins in the dupatta so that the folds will not get displaced when we do the cutting. After this, rotate the dupatta like this. Now this is the folded side while this is the open side. From this corner of the folded side, mark a point which is 4 inches away from it and mark another point which is 1.5 inches below it. Now join these two points with a curved line like this and then cut along this line. When we open up the folds, this will become the neck of our poncho. From this lower point of the neck, mark a point on the folded edge which is 22 inches below it. You can increase this to 23 or 24 inches if you want your poncho to be a little bit longer. Next, join this edge with this point that we just marked with a curved line like I am doing here. And then cut along this line. Just open it up and your circular poncho is ready. Now let's move on to the actual dupatta. I have made the final poncho with dark blue colored dupatta because that is the color I wanted, but I'll be showing you the demonstration with the pink colored dupatta because if I do the demonstration on dark colored dupatta, then it won't be clearly visible to you. So first up, I'm folding the dupatta into half and again folding it just like I had done with the paper dupatta. Just make sure that all the corners and the edges meet each other. And now secure these folds with a few awl pins so that these won't get displaced while cutting. Next, I'm rotating the folded dupatta like this. So this here is the folded edge and this one is the open edge. Next, we'll be cutting out the neck. For this, mark a point which is 4 inches away from this point and mark another point 1.5 inches below it. Join these two points with a curved line just like we had done in the paper dupatta and then cut along this line. The neck is now ready and now we will mark a point 22 inches below the neck on the folded edge as we had done with the paper dupatta. Also note that the length of this side will be typically between 17 and 18 inches when the dupatta is folded like this for all the standard size dupattas. And now we'll join this corner to the point that we had just marked with a curved line. And then cut along this line. Finally, just remove the pins and open it up and our basic poncho is ready. So now we have to hem the edges of the poncho. For this, fold about 1/4 of an inch of the edge inside. Fold it one more time and then secure it in place with the help of an awl pin and then simply give a straight stitch over it. Repeat this along the entire edge of the poncho. Next, take this multicolored pom-pom lace which is quite in fashion these days, so is easily available in all the stores which have laces, buttons, etc. You will need about 4 meters of this and stitch it along the entire edge of the poncho, both on the front as well as the back side. And as I told you earlier, I made the final poncho with the blue colored dupatta, so I stitched the lace to this one. I hand stitched it with thread and needle as you can see here. And to finish the neck, I have taken this 1 inch wide plain blue lace, 1 inch wide plain blue lace, and I have stitched it with thread and needle as you can see here. And to finish the neck, I have taken this 1 inch wide plain blue lace, 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 Placed it on the neck like this and secure it in place with the help of pins. Put this all around the neck like this and then give a straight stitch over it with the help of thread and needle like I have done here. So your poncho is now ready to be worn. You can wear it over a tank top or a spaghetti top or a plain top of the same color or a contrasting color. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos and connect with me on my Instagram and Twitter accounts. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.